In the beginning, there was nothing, only darkness covering the deep. Then God spoke, and light burst into existence. God separated the light from the darkness, calling the light day and the darkness night. This was the first day. On the second day, God spoke again and created a vast expanse, the sky, separating the waters above from the waters below. On the third day, God gathered the waters under the sky into one place so that dry land appeared. He called the dry land earth and the gathered waters seas. Then he commanded the earth to produce plants, grass, and trees, each with seeds to reproduce according to their kinds. On the fourth day, God filled the heavens with lights, the greater light, the sun, to rule the day, the lesser light, the moon, to rule the night, and stars scattered across the sky. These were created to mark seasons, days, and years. On the fifth day, God created living creatures in the waters, great sea creatures, and all kinds of fish. He also made birds to fly in the skies. He blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply." On the sixth day, God brought forth all the animals on land, livestock, wild animals, and creeping creatures of every kind. Then, as the crown of creation, God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness." And he created humanity, male and female, giving them authority over the earth and every living thing. God blessed them and commanded them to fill the earth and rule it. He also gave them and all creatures the plants and fruit as food. At the end of the sixth day, God looked at everything he had made, and it was very good. On the seventh day, God finished his work and rested, blessing and sanctifying the day as holy. There are many lessons to be learned from this story, but I would like to highlight a few. 1. God is systematic and the God of order. He can decide to create the vegetation first before making the land, and nothing will be wrong, but he created the land first, then brought out green grass from it. There are phases of your life that you need to go through to make you stronger and build you for tomorrow. If you skip this, you will have problems in the future, so stay calm and trust the Lord, for all things work together for the good of those who love the Lord. 2. God is dependable. If he can make things out of nothing, he is worthy of our trust in him for everything in your life, and you will never be put to shame. 3. We are all important. Vegetation needs land to grow. Animals need vegetation to survive. Water needs fish to thrive. And creatures need light to reveal their beauty. No matter how small your strength is or how useless you think you are still helpful, and without you, there would be a missing link.